And I ask, when will it all end? Then a voice comes to me that says, right after the credits.
The end. Paramount.
Barney's got your ticket to adventure in Barney's Colorful World Live. Imagine a trip around the world.
Ready or not, here we go! Wow! We're going on a jungle adventure to see what we can see.
All aboard for the Arctic.
The ground is covered with fluffy white snow. That's how I know it's cold. Ahoy, mateys!
Set sail for sandy beaches.
This place is nice and warm.
Dive into the colorful world under the sea. Meet a starfish who's really a star. You'll have a whale of a time. See Barney's Colorful World Live, a magical musical adventure from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
We've got to get to Network Wiggles. We've got a show to do. Hold on, everybody.
Camera 1, pull back.
Oh, what a great shot.
Camera 2, do the same. Camera 3, it's not the time to do a pirate jig.
And someone is playing pranks on the Wiggles friends at Network Wiggles.
Lights, camera, action! Wow, look at that! Oh, what happened? Who did that?
Captain, if we're going to stop them, we need to find them. Do you know where those gremlins went? Did you see them?
No, we don't.
There's plenty of wiggly mischief in Woohoo Wiggly Gremlins from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Who's the first to lend a helping hand to others? Or welcome an unexpected visitor into his home? Cooper, of course. Always loving. Always caring. Always entertaining. Help yourself to a sweet treat with Kipper, and Kipper helps out from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
I absolutely love to dance. There's something
The magic of
magical about
dance.
getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Lily comes to dinner. And there's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared.
The silver
And you'll
locket.
see the time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it.
Angelina, your mum did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she?
Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the Silver Locket video to find out what happened.
And the big
In the
performance.
big performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland.
Angelina is a real star.
So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
Only from Entertainment!
We're live from the Bobblesburg Winter Games.
As television stations prepare to broadcast to the world, join Bob and the Machines in an exciting snowy adventure. Meet Benny, new to the team.
Unreal banana peel?
When the mountain pass gets snowed under, will Bob get the courses built in time for the opening ceremony? Oh no! It's their biggest challenge ever!
From the Builder, Snow Under.
Coming to DVD and VHS, fall 2004.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
The mighty shark wants to star in his own movie. Arr, arr, arr.
The mighty movie star,
That's me.
the hero of the movie,
That's me.
goes flying through the air to rescue Miss Winona like this.
That's me.
Don't miss the Rubber Dubbers. In Finbar, the mighty movie star. Plus, 4 more fantastic stories. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
All aboard! Find out why it's great to be an engine in the brand new adventures of Thomas and Friends. Travel around the island of Sodor, where James goes too far. Gordon gets stuck in the snow, and things heat up for Thomas at the seaside. These and other exciting new stories are full of discoveries, friendship, and fun, proving it's great to be an engine. Coming soon.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
Thomas and Friends. Making tracks to great destinations.
Hit Entertainment.